Hey guys, CFL-TECH with CFL-TECH. I'm on the Streaming Better site with an update here for Fubo subscribers who use PayPal to pay for their service. Now this will be linked down below if you want to check it out. So the question is, are you paying for Fubo with PayPal? If you are, you'll lose access to your package if you don't switch to a new payment method soon. So what are the key takeaways on this one? Fubo will stop accepting PayPal for payments starting April 2nd, 2026, requiring affected users to switch to a credit or debit card to avoid losing access. Accounts that don't update their payment method in time will expire, with prorated refunds issued for any unused portions of a billing cycle. Fubo is offering affected subscribers a $15 bill credit to offset the inconvenience. Now, I don't know how many subscribers use PayPal to pay for their service, but there probably are enough to put this message out there, and Fubo has been emailing subscribers this past week, letting them know about the changes. Now, did you get one of those emails? If you are using PayPal to pay for your service, let me know down below. Maybe you got it and didn't see it, and that's why we like to do these videos, so you're updated on what's going on, so there's no bad surprise come April 2nd when you go to watch your favorite sporting event or show and you have no service. Now, it's not the end of the world that happened, but it's just an inconvenience, and we don't need any more inconveniences, right? So they're letting the customers know about this. And there's some more information here about the billing cycle if it's after April 2nd. Now, in cases where subscribers' billing cycle renews after April 2nd and they don't add an alternate payment method in time, those subscribers will automatically receive a prorated refund for the unused portion of their paid subscription. So that's where that refund comes in. They also have a link here to my account so you can log in and update your payment method. Now, the payment option for PayPal is no longer an option for new customers, so you don't have to worry about seeing that option. If you are just subscribing now, here on out, you won't see PayPal any longer as an option. So it's good to see that they got that removed, so there's no more confusion. Now, let's look at the PayPal support page here. Now, they're letting you know which methods they do accept here. What payment methods does Fubo accept? And here they are. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, and Digital Wallets Cash App. Now, they have a link here to show you how to update your credit or debit card. So here it is for a computer, the instructions. So you log into your account, then they have all the information right here. Now, what's funny, at the bottom of this page, it still shows PayPal, how to update your PayPal payment method. That will probably be removed soon because they will have no more association using PayPal. But that's really all of it here. So if you want to change your method here, look at this link. This will be linked down below as well for you. But going back to Streaming Better here, check out this story. If you are just made aware of this watching this video, hopefully this helped you out. What are your thoughts on this? Is this a major inconvenience for you? And is this enough for you to leave Fubo? Hopefully it's not, but you know, some people have their certain ways they do things, and maybe it is enough of an inconvenience or frustrates them enough to leave the service. So let me know down below. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know the next video drops in CFL-TECH. Also hit the thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. It's also greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. CFL-TECH checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.